Hi everyone, this is Matthew Allo. In this video, I will take you through project that will make more proficient in PowerPoint presentations. This video was what ever passed Microsoft PowerPoint 365 and 2019 exams. So let's go through this project one after the other. Project 1, Task 1. Change the slide master theme colors to blue 2. Change the slide master theme colors to blue 2. So to do this, the slide master is located on the View tab. Then here is the slide master in the master views group. Slide master. Then the theme colors. Then blue 2. Select blue 2. Okay, that is done. Task 1. Mark completed. Okay, close master view. Then task 2. On slide 2, create a bulleted list from the text leading through decades. For the bullet, use the picture scooter icon.png located in the geometrics template folder. On slide 2, create a bulleted list from the text leading to decades. For the bullet, use the picture scooter icon.png located in the geometrics template folder. So to do this, you scroll down to slide 2, select slide 2, then from the text leading to decades, you select the text. Then on the home tab in the paragraph group, you have the bullet command. You select the bullet command and bullet and numbering, and you select picture, then picture from file. Here is the scooter icon. Select it, then insert. Okay, that is done. Then task 2, mark completed. And task 3, insert a new slide 3 using the slide titled Board of Directors from srdraft.pptx located in the geometric template folder. Insert a new slide 3 using the slide titled Board of Directors from srdraft.pptx located in the geometric template folder. So to do this, you click on reuse sliders on the home tab in the slides group. You reuse slides. So you have the reuse slides pane. Then you browse for the required slides. That's in the geometrics templates folder. Geometrics. So this SR draft. You choose content and scroll down to slide 3. Board of Directors. Then you insert the slide. Okay, that is done. Task 3, mark completed. Now task 4. In the right pane of the last slide titled Scooter Renters, insert video night on scooter.mp4 located in the geometric template folder. In the right pane of the last slide titled Scooter Renters, insert the video night on scooter.mp4 located in the geometric templates folder. So to do this, you scroll down to the last slide. Okay, here's the last slide. Then scooter renter. Insert the video. So insert video. So night on scooter. Select it and click insert. Okay, that is done. Task 4, mark completed. Now task 5. Inspect this presentation and remove only document properties and personal information. Insert this, inspect this presentation and remove only document properties and personal information. So to do this, you select the file tab, then the info. On the info page, you scroll down to check for issue, inspect presentation, then inspect document. Click yes. Then here you inspect and remove only document properties and personal information. So document properties and personal information, let remove all, then close. So task 5, mark completed. So great project. Correct. Alright. Project 2, task 1. Change the style of the SmartArt layout on slide 6 to hierarchy. Change the style of the SmartArt layout on slide 6 to hierarchy. So to do this, you scroll down to slide 6. That's slide 6. Slide 6. Okay. So on slide 6, you select the SmartArt diagram. And on this tab, SmartArt Design Contextual tab, you select it. And the layout is hierarchy. So you select hierarchy. So that is done. Okay, that's applied. Task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. On slide 2, change the video playback to start automatically when the slide loads and redisplay the title screen after the playback is finished. On slide 2, change the video playback to start automatically when the slide loads and redisplay the title screen after the playback is finished. So to do this, on slide 2, so you move to slide 2, you select slide 2, then the video on slide 2, you select it. Now the playback tab with the playback tab contextual, the playback contextual tab will show up. So you go to the video options group, and in the start box you select automatically. Now the second part of it, and redisplay the title screen after the playback is finished. Now you select rewind after playing and try it out. Okay, so to go back to the title screen, that is done. Now task 2, mark completed. And task 3, apply style 9 to the IEEE wireless network standard chart on slide 4. Apply style 9 to the IEEE wireless network standards chart on slide 4. So you move to slide 4. Slide 4. Okay, the chart is right here. The IEEE wireless network standards. Okay, so to apply style 9, select the whole or the complete chart, and on the chart design contextual tab, you select style 9, that's style 9. Select the drop down row and select style 9, that is done. Okay, task 3, mark completed. Now task 4, modify the design of the table on slide 5 to medium style 3. Modify the design of the table on slide 5 to medium style 3. So to do this, the table on slide 5, so it's less than slide 5, and here is the table. Select the table. So to modify the design to medium style 3, So once you select the table design contextual tab will show up. So the styles, that's table styles, select medium. Under medium, select medium style 3, that's apply. Okay, task 4, mark complete. Now task 5. Rehearse slideshow timings, allowing approximately 5 seconds to display each slide. Save the timings. Note: allow slide 2 to play through its animation, which will require approximately 5 seconds. Rehearse slideshow timings, allowing approximately 5 seconds to display each slide. Save the timings. Note: allow slide 2 to play through its animation, which will require approximately 5 seconds. So to do this, slide 2. Okay, so to rehearse the slideshow timings, so you click on the slideshow. Then in the setup group, you have rehearse timings. Select rehearse timings, so the time start counting. When it gets to 5, move to the next slide. Again, start counting. So move to the next slide. So we move to the next slide. Move to the next slide. Move to the next slide. Next slide. Okay. Task 5. Mark completed. Correct. Project 3, task 1. Duplicate a slide title most popular. Duplicate the slide titled most popular. So to do this, you locate the slide titled most popular. So here is the slide. You select it and right click on it. Then you have duplicate slide. You select duplicate slide. So that is duplicated. So task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. Make the slide titled other activities visible. Make the slide titled other activities visible. So you locate the slide title other activities. So here is the slide. You can see the line that is drawn across means that the slide is hidden. So to unhide the slide, just right click on it to make it visible when you're presenting it. You select hide slide again. So the slide is now visible. So when you're presenting the slide, it will be one of the slides that will be displayed. So now task 2, mark completed. Task 3. Display the date in the upper right corner of handout created from this presentation. Display the date in the upper right corner of handout created from this presentation. So to do this, you click on the view tab in the master views group. You select the handout master. Okay, so you select in the placeholders group, you select date. Okay, so the date now appears in the upper right hand corner as requested. So that is done. Task 3, mark completed. Now close master view. And task 4. Reorder the presentation so the last slide titled Adventurous Stories is slide 3. Reorder the presentation so the last slide titled Adventurous Stories is slide 3. Reorder the presentation so the last slide titled Adventurous Stories is slide 3. So you can just click on the view tab and display this in the slide sorter view so that you can see all the slides. So adventurous tree is right here, so we're going to move it in between slide 2 and 3. So just drag adventurous and move it in between 2 and 3 so that it can be the third slide. So that is done. Okay, slide task 4, mark completed. Now task 5, change the handout settings to print 3 slides per page. Change the handout settings to print 3 slides per page. So to do this, you can go back to normal view. So you go to the file tab, then print. So to print 3 slides per page, so full page slides, so you just click here under the setting. So 3 slide handouts setting, so 3 slides, so that is done. So 3 slides per page. So task 5, mark completed. Okay, so that is done. So now grade project. Correct. Project 4, task 1. On the title slide, insert the lamp icon from the home collection. Center the icon below the title, below the subtitle, furniture list. On the title slide, insert the lamp icon from the home collection. Center the icon below the subtitle, furniture list. So to do this, on the title slide, so here's the title slide. So insert the lamp icon from home collection and center the icon under the subtitle, furniture list. Okay, let's go under here, and so to insert lamp icon, go to the insert tab. So here is the icons command in the illustrations group. Okay, under the home collection, on the home collection, okay, okay, the lamp icon. Let's type lamp. Okay, here is the lamp icon, and insert. So you click insert. Okay, so drag it under the furniture list. Okay, that is done. So you center the icon under the furniture list, align center. Okay, that is done. Task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. Change the view of the 3D model on slide 4 to above from left. Change the view of the 3D model on slide 4 to above from above front left. Change the view of the 3D model on slide 4 to above front left. Above front left. So let's see. You just locate slide 4. Okay. 3D model on slide 4. So here's the 3D model on slide 4. So the 3D model contextual tab is showing here. So change the view, model view, to above front left. Above front left. Okay, here it is. So above front left. Good. That is done. So task 2 mark completed. So task 3. On slide 3, create a table in the right place order with 3 columns and 6 rows. Apply the medium style 2 accent 6 table style. On slide 3, create a table in the right place order with 3 columns and 6 rows. Apply the medium style 2 accent 6 table style. So to do this, go to slide 3, then create a table in the right place order. So here is the table icon, or you can as well go to the insert tab in the tables group, and here's you have the table. Okay, let's use the one right here. So table with 3 columns. So this will be changed to 3 and 6 rows. Number of columns is 3. Number of rows we change to 6. Okay. Right, please hold. Right, please order. Okay. That's done. So apply the medium style 2 accent 6 table style. So here in the table design contextual tab we have table styles group. So look for medium style 2 accent 6 medium style 2 accent 5 medium style 2 accent 6. Okay, that is done. So task 3 mark completed. Now task 4. Task 4, create a custom slideshow named auction using slides 1, 2, 4, and 6. Create a custom slideshow named auction using slides 1, 2, 4, and 6. So to do this, you go to the slideshow tab. So custom show, that's in the start slideshow group, custom show. Then you name the custom, that's new custom show. Name it auction. So just find the spelling. So we're selecting slide 1, 2, 4, and 6. So you add the slides. So meaning that these are the slides that will be presented as under this custom show. So you click OK. Then you click show. Okay, that is this. Okay, so custom show auction. So these are the slides that will be displayed. Good. So task 4 mark completed. Now task 5. Disable the slideshow options for narration times and media controls. disable the slideshow option for narration, timings, and media control. So to do this, in the slideshow on the slideshow tab, that's in the setup group, so you disable narration, play narration, uncheck the box here, timings, uncheck the box, then media control uncheck as well. Okay, task 5, mark completed. Okay, now grade project. Correct, correct. Project 5, task 1. Add the text bird watching to the subject property of this file. Add the text bird watching to the subject property of this file. So to do this, you click on the file tab and info, and here you have properties, the subject properties. So you, to display the subject property, you select show all properties. Now you have subject, and you type in bird watching. Okay, that is done. Turn to the document. Task 1, mark completed. Then task 2. On slide 2, apply the color dark green accent 2. So the text 10%, 12%, and 60%. On slide 2, apply the color dark green accent 2 to the text 10%, 12%, and 60%. So to do this, go to slide 2, then the text 10%, select it, and go to the home tab. In the font group, you have font color, then dark green accent 2, select it, and it's done. Select 12% and dark green accent 2 and 60%. Apply dark green accent 2. Okay, that's done. So, task 2, mark complete. And task 3. On slide 2, apply the inside bottom right shadow effect to the illustration of the sun. On slide 2, apply the inside bottom right shadow effect to the illustration of the sun. So to do this, you select slide 2, then there is the illustration of the sun. Then once you select it, the shape format, contextual tab will show up. Then you go to shape styles group, then shape effect, so right, shadow effect, shadow, so you select shadow, inner bottom right, okay, inner, inside, bottom right. Okay, so that is done. Task 3, mark completed. Now task 4. On slide 5, crop the image to a horizontal oval shape. On slide 5, crop the image to a horizontal oval shape. On slide 5, crop the image to a horizontal oval shape. So to do this, you scroll down to slide 5. So here's the image. Select image, then picture format contextual tab is here. So you, in the size group, you see crop and crop to shape, and select under the basic shape, select over. So here is over. Okay, that has been done, has been changed. Over shape, drop to over shape. So task 4, mark completed. Now task 5. On the last slide, Use the list to create a basic process SmartArt diagram. On the last slide, use the list to create a basic process SmartArt diagram. So the last slide, scroll down to the last slide. Okay, so here is the list. Select the list and go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, we have convert to SmartArt graphic. So you select basic shape, basic process. So here's basic process. Okay, that is done. Task 5, mark completed. Now grade project. Correct, correct. Project 6, task 1. Locate the center of the slide by displaying the alignment guides. Locate the center of the slide by displaying the alignment guides. So to do this, you just click on the View tab. Then in the Show group, you click on Guides. Okay, so that is done. The center is located here. So task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. Enable the date and time display on all slides in this presentation. Enable the date and time display on all slides in this presentation. So to do this, you click on the Insert tab, then in the text group, click Header and Footer. So you select date and time, then apply it to all. Okay, that is done. Task 2, mark completed. Now task 3. On the last slide, reorder the shapes so the diagram reads quality ingredients, exciting flavors, amazing beverages. On the last slide, reorder the shapes so the diagram reads quality ingredients, exciting flavors, amazing beverages. So to do this, you go to the last slide, and select the last slide, then select the diagram on the last slide. So here you have the text pane. Go to the SmartArt design, then move amazing beverages down. So that is it. So that is done. Quality ingredients, exciting flavor, then amazing beverages. Okay, so task 3, mark completed. Now task 4. Add a transition effect duration of 1.50 to all of the slides or in the presentation. Apply a transition effect duration of 1.50 to all of the slides in the presentation. So to do this, you click on the transition tab, then the duration change to 1.50, then apply to all slides. Apply to all slides. So that is selected. So task 4, mark completed. Now task 5. Reduce the file size of this presentation by embedding only the font characters used in this presentation and save the presentation. Reduce the file size of this presentation by embedding only the font characters used in this presentation and save the presentation. So to do this, you go to the File tab, click on the File tab, then then you go to More, then Options. So to do this, you select Save and scroll down to Embed Fonts in the presentation. Then select Embed, only embed the characters used in the presentation, best for reducing file size. Okay, so we need to click on OK so you can dock this top to allow you to see the OK button. So you click OK, you can bring it down again to the bottom. Okay, so that is done. Task 5, mark completed. Okay, so create project. Project 7, task 1. Apply the ripple transition to all of the slides. Apply the ripple transition to all of the slides. So to do this, you go to the transitions tab, select transitions tab, then click on more, then select ripple effect. So to apply to all of the slides, just click on apply to all. So if you check this out, slide 1 preview, okay, that's ripple effect. Slide 2 preview, and slide 3 preview, slide 4 preview, then slide 5 preview. Okay, so that is done. Now task 1, mark completed. And task 2, on slide 2, modify the animation so all of the list items enter from bottom right. On slide 2, modify the animation so all of the list items enter from bottom right. So to do this, you select slide 2, then the list items on slide 2, you select them. So to modify the animation, you go to animations tab, then effect options, then you select from bottom right. From bottom right. So here it is. Good. Good. Okay, so that is done. Task 2, mark completed. Now task 3. On slide 3, next to the list items, pay $75. Insert a comment, update the fee to $90. On slide 3, next to the list items, pay $75. Insert a comment, update the fee to $90. So to do this, you select slide 3. So next to the list item, $75, just click after $75 here. Then you go to the insert tab, then the comments group, you click comments. So you type the text, update the fee to $90. So ensure you put in the correct spelling. So update the fee to $90. So post the comment. Okay, that is done. Now task 3, mark completed. Task 4. On slide 5, modify the animation so the list items appear in the order theory, skills, play. On slide 5, modify the animation so the list items appear in the order theory, skills, play. So on slide 5, so you scroll down to slide 5, so the list items, select them. So in the animations pane, so to get to the animations pane, you can just come here and click animation pane, so it will appear right here. So to readjust this, to adjust it, you have theory coming first, theory. So in the order given, theory. So click here, theory, and click move earlier. Move earlier, so that should come first. Move earlier. So then play should come last. So you can as well move from here and click. You come right here. So play. Okay, that's done. So you can either move from here or come here to move. So you have the order theory, skills, and play. Okay, task 4, mark completed. Then task 5. Apply the turntable animation to the 3D model on slide 5. Apply the turntable animation to the 3D model on slide 5. So on slide 5, the 3D model is right here. So we go to the animations tab and select turntable. Okay. So you can see that turntable animation is applied. So task 5 mark completed. So grade project. Correct. I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.